Every few minutes, a car catches fire. That's over 170,000 every year. But here's the weird part. Almost all of them are petrol cars. Yet the only ones you see online are electric. If that surprises you, stick with me. Subscribe for real breakdowns like this. And tell me, petrol or EV? Which one scares you more?
Let's look at the numbers. Petrol cars, about 1,500 fires per 100,000 cars. Electric cars, around 25. That's not close. Petrol cars are about 60 times more likely to catch fire. A petrol car carries flammable fuel right next to extreme heat. Your engine runs hot, your exhaust gets even hotter. Most of the time, it's fine, until something small fails. EV fires start differently. They start inside the battery. Once it begins, it can feed itself. That's why they're harder to stop. One cell fails, then the next, then the next. It spreads fast, from 1 to thousands in seconds. Petrol fire, about 1,000 liters of water. EV fire, over 11,000. And even then, it can come back. EVs don't catch fire more. Petrol fires aren't safer. Most takes online, too simple. We fear what we see. EV fires go viral. Petrol fires don't. So it feels like EVs are worse, even when they're not. Both have risks. Both have solutions. It's not petrol versus electric. It's maintained versus neglected. Petrol fires happen more. EV fires are harder to stop. Both are true. So the real question is, which one scares you more? Most petrol fires don't start dramatically. It's usually small. A leak, a worn hose, a loose connection. Then, one day, heat meets fuel. Here's the scary part about EV fires. You think it's over. Then, hours later, it starts again. Same battery, same reaction. So, this isn't really about cars. It's about you, what you drive, how you maintain it, and what you ignore until it matters. Here's what both sides don't say. Every car is carrying energy. Petrol stores it as liquid fuel. EVs store it in batteries. Different form, same risk. The dangerous part isn't the car. It's the false sense of safety. Because most fires don't look like a disaster until they are. Petrol cars catch fire more. EV fires are harder to stop. Both are true. So don't pick based on fear. Pick based on what you understand and maintain. Because the safest car is the one that never catches fire.